Hi everyone, welcome to the Friday Wrap. We're coming to you live from LORBEK Luxury Cars, where I've basically got the medium Melbourne house price behind me in the form of two McLaren 720s, which are absolutely stunning. The one on the left of me you've seen before. We've done this recently with some stripes and other things. And I've got a new one on my right hand side that we've just finished off this week, which has a few little details added as well. So what have we done on the McLaren? Well, we've done some little pinstriping on the rear reflective areas to enhance the rear diffuser, and that's been done in a white reflective film. And then we've also added some satin black film on the underside of the spoiler to really enhance the opening of that really amazing electronic spoiler. We've also done some gloss carbon fibre wrap on the inside of the doors to both protect that and also make it look a little bit more customised. And the whole front end's been treated to XPEL Paint Protection Film to fully protect that from stone chips and other abrasions. We've also had a beautiful white GT3 come into us from Porsche, straight from the factory, fully wrapped in paint protection film, which is going to give it some amazing, outstanding protection for all those track days and things that the client is hopefully going to do with it. Well, the rest of the week at Grafico, things came in threes. We had the three Mancini Made VW Amaroks, which were all treated to new branding on the rear. We've had blackout badges, all the badges, other badges removed, beautiful matte black graphics going on top of the gloss black vehicles. Pretty cool fleet there. And we've also had three North Melbourne Football Club Mazdas, which we've wrapped with the company branding. Amazing way to reflect your brand, as we always like to say here at Grafico. Well, that's been the Friday Wrap. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for LORBEK Luxury Cars for having us this morning. If you'd like to come down here, you can see all the amazing array of cars from exotics to high-end European vehicles and others down at LORBEK in Port Melbourne. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Damien. We'll see you next week.